So this is one of the simple and easiest way to fix this problem. So if you're facing this problem, you just have to go to your phone menu like this, then you scroll down below and try to search in for your phone settings. So when you find it, tap on it to open it. Now what you have to do is to scroll down below and you're going to see this app management or app list. So just tap on it. You're going to see app list over here. Tap on it. Then what you have to do is to wait for it to load. So after loading, you're going to see all your apps on your phones over here. So whatever app you're having on your phone is going to appear over here. So what you have to do is to just scroll down to the S section and you're going to see this Snapchat app. So tap on it. Now tap on the storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache. Now go back. Tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned off like this. Then you turn it on back again. Now go back and tap on this full stop. Tap on OK. Then tap on permissions. It's very important. Make sure every permission is allowed. So as you can see, allowed, every permission over here is allowed and not the none. So after doing this, go back and tap on these notifications. Tap on allow notifications. Tap on it again to turn it on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search in for Google Play Store. So when you find it, tap on it, and now you have to update the Snapchat app. So tap on update over here to get the latest update. So after updating it, tap on the power button to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.